We are going to review over some of the fractions that we've learned. This is 1/2. So if you want to, you can draw your own shape. I'm going to show you a shape that I am drawing, which is a triangle with all equal sides. And I'm going to create 1/2. So I'm splitting my triangle in half. I've got 2 pieces because that's the amount we have down here. Your total amount is always going to be on the bottom. And then we're going to shade in how many? 1. So I'm shading in 1 piece of my triangle, and that represents 1/2. Next, I'm going to do 1/3. So I'm drawing my shape. And how many pieces do I need to have inside of my shape? 3. So I'm going to make it to where I have 3 pieces inside of my rectangle here. And then how many do I need to shade in? 1 piece. So this shape represents 1/3. Now I'm going to create a shape that represents 2/3. So this is our circle, and I made 3 pieces inside of it because that is the total amount, which is on the bottom. How many do I need to shade in? 2 pieces. So 1, 2. So now my circle represents 2/3. Now I'm going to create a shape that represents our 1/4. This is a square, and I'm going to put 4 pieces inside, and they have to be 4 equal pieces because that's the amount we have, the total amount we have. How many am I shading in? 1. So inside of my square, that represents 1/4. I've got 1 shaded in and 4 total pieces. Our last one today is going to be 3/4. So I'm making another rectangle. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So we have 4 equal pieces, and we're going to shade in 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. And that represents 3/4. Our activity today is called More Number Names. It's week 8, day 2 math, and we have our place value here. So our place value blocks are over here. We've got 10 right here, which is our stick, 22 sticks, 33 sticks, and so on. I love how they represent that so you can see the blocks. They've done an example here. So they counted out how many 10s they had, which was 5. They counted out their amount of 1s, which was 4, and the number is 54, and then they spelled it out. So kind of like we do in our math journal. So let's go ahead and do number 1 together. How many 10s are here? 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. And then how many 1s are here? Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. So our number, we're going to put these 2 together, is 35. And you're going to spell out the number 35. Go ahead and do the rest of those. Good job on our math activities today.